you agree?
Yeah.
Wait, we're recording?
Yeah.
Every day, most people wake up, brush their teeth, take a shower, comb their hair, and eat breakfast. This common morning routine is often taken for granted in the process of how we perform it. All these decisions we make and actions we perform are all controlled by one organ, the brain. The brain consists of gray matter that is made up of billions of neurons. The brain has two distinct hemispheres, the left and the right, which control different daily functions.
The left hemisphere, or otherwise known as the left brain, deals with analytic thoughts, logic, language, and right body functions. This side of the brain deals with solving problems quickly and efficiently by breaking down the problem and solving it in multiple steps. We use the left brain to do math problems, reason, and understand language.
For example, if you are in a science or math class, your left side of the brain is really active. This is in part due to you using logic and numbers instead of your creativity and imagination.
Some strengths of the left brain are mathematics, analytics, reading, spelling, writing, sequencing, verbal, and written language. Some weaknesses of the left brain are visualization and abstract thinking.
If the left brain were to be damaged, you would experience trouble speaking or understanding spoken or written words, and an inability to see things on the right side of the body.
Moving on to the right hemisphere of the brain, which deals with creative thoughts and emotions. It is associated with how we feel and our different perspectives on things. Like when you are daydreaming, for example, your right side of the brain is really active because you are using neuron pathways that are related to imagination. Some strengths of the right brain are multidimensional thinking, art, music, drawing, athletics, coordination, remembering faces, places, and events. Although there are some strengths, there are some weaknesses, such as understanding parts, organizing a large body of information, and remembering names. When the right brain is damaged, it leads to damaged visual perception, neglection of the left side of the body, and inability to see things to the left, and trouble learning. Although it seems odd, the left side of the brain actually controls the right body functions, and vice versa. Why does this happen? It is because of the crossing over of the upper motor neurons to the opposite site. This crossing over is known as decussation. The same thing happens with our eyes. Each eye is split into two sections, the right and the left. The left brain controls both left sides of the eyes, and the right side of the brain controls the right sections of the eyes.
In conclusion, the left and the right hemispheres have different roles that deal with how our body works. However, one could not survive without the other. The combination of the left and the right brain work together to create a complex relation that allows us to function and progress through life.